guys, it's Nick. I'm in Times Square. I haven't been here since the winter, so let's see if the crowds are back, the tourists are back in the middle of August on a regular Thursday afternoon around 3:30. Let's go check it out and see what's going on and what's new in Times Square. So I mean, something is always new. The signs are always different and everything. It never looks the same as since the last time you were there. Like, I don't remember no M&M curtain call ad or whatever, but there's a big amount of people out here, I'll tell you that. I mean, you can see for yourself, and compared to the winter when it was really damn cold around the end of March, it is a really nice time in New York right now. It's probably about 85 degrees. A lot of people wearing shorts, including myself. And so just everybody is out here and seeing what New York has to offer. And of course, this is the most touristy spot, so everybody has to at least stop here and check it out if they're coming to New York for their first or second visit or something along those lines. So it is damn sunny, a lot of people. You got the Broadway plays. You got the guy with the singing cowboy or whatever, the naked cowboy guy. I don't know if this is the original guy. He might have sold the franchise to somebody else. I don't even know. I don't even know what this is. Line Friends. I have no idea. Everybody's selling something. Comedy Central stand-up tickets. Virgil's Barbecue, a really good place. If you're down here, come check it out. Also, Carmine's. I think it's this street or the next street. Yeah, Carmine's is right there as well. Home style Italian share plates kind of food. It's really good. Check that out. Oh, and about masks. Not a lot of people wearing masks, which is good, especially on the subway, which you're required to wear them. You know, you hear the announcements saying you got to wear a mask and stuff. I would say only about 20% of the people even bother. So if you're worried about that, you can just ride the subway without a mask or whatever. Guys, that's a look at what's going on in Times Square in August 2022. If you're thinking of coming down here, come check it out. The weather is at least nice at a minimum. So this is what it's looking like in Times Square in August. Hope you guys like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.